it's Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making apple muffins. On to the recipe. The first thing I did, I added lemon juice to the water and I peeled and sliced and chopped the apples. As you can see, I chopped them a little bit finer because they cook better. Now I'll mix the dry ingredients and get the wet ones ready. Into a bowl, we're going to add the flour. The recipe is going to be in the description. Sugar, salt, baking powder. Make sure you get that all in there. And cinnamon. Now we mix it together. Now, after we get that mixed in, you're going to make a well. The liquid ingredients would be egg, milk, and oil. This time I didn't do a doctor recommended muffin. I remembered the oil this time. You just dump that in. We're going to dump in the apples too. That's 1 cup of apples if you want to know. And just mix it together. The batter's going to be lumpy. I'll be back when it's done. Now that that's mixed up, I put the cupcake papers into the muffin tins. Now we'll fill it. Fill it 2/3 full. Like that. That's what you do. Now, I'm going to top it with some cinnamon sugar. If you want the recipe for that, it will be in my apple coffee cake recipe. It's in that recipe. Just put some on there. It never hurts to have a little bit more cinnamon sugar on top. This is easy to do. After you're done sprinkling it, you can bake it in a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Into the oven it goes. This is what they look like when they're done. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.